It's annoying that that light's there, isn't that? Hey guys, it's Ann and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something that I've never done on this channel before. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys a haul of stuff. So I went shopping today. It's all stuff that I plan to use in some sort of a crafting way. So, well, I also got a little bit of other stuff and I'll show that to you too. So I guess we'll just go in order of where I went. So the first place I went is Dollar Tree, and I went specifically to look for their Valentine's Day stuff. So I don't know if I'll get to this by this Valentine's Day or not. I haven't decided yet. If I don't, I'll save it for next year. But this looked super cute. Like, okay, it's like a little heart thing. It says welcome. Could like, they very easily, they're just like taped on the back there, but that's all good. I mean, Dollar Tree. I thought it'd be cool if I painted these and they could like hang it on a door. And the second thing I got, this is also like a painting idea, is this little heart. And it says to the moon and back. And then some of the extra things I got these cute little socks. I love them. Cute. And then I got these 3 little pots that I could paint. I do have an idea for them. I didn't have an idea when I got them, and then I later went to Michael's and I have an idea for them, and I'm pretty excited about it. But I'll tell you about that more when I get to the Michael's section. And then the last thing from Dollar Tree is these little hearts. Let's see. They're just these little hearts. I don't know what, I don't have a plan with them, but they could be for something. Then I went to Bath and Body Works. I'll show you what I got. It's not a crafting thing, but I got some soap. I also got watermelon lemonade. So that was that. Then I went to Target. I pretty much just went to the dollar spot. The only thing I got not from the dollar spot was this clock. Now, if you've seen my fall decor video, I decorated this clock. It's $8 at Target. I made a pumpkin for Halloween, and I was thinking that it'd be cool to make like a spring one. I think it'd be cool if I made one for every holiday or season. So that's the plan on that. And this was at the checkout line. So then the dollar spot I got, and it's not crafting, but I got these socks. They were $1. I got, and this is also not crafting because
I don't think I'm gonna paint it. I guess I could paint it, but that wasn't my plan, and I don't think I'm gonna because it's really cute.
But it says love you a latte. I think that's so cute. And then these ones just 3 hearts. There's nothing on the back, and these were $5 like together. And so this is like pretty much like my favorite color like ever. So I thought these were so cute. So I love that. Then this is also not a crafting thing because I
don't think I'm gonna paint it, but I could paint it, but I don't think I'm gonna paint it.
But I got these mugs, and I love these, like they're little drinking jars. They have these little straws, and they were $3 for both of them. I actually, like I got green lid ones. These ones are the white lid ones. And then I've had the green lid ones before, and then I went back and they didn't have any more because I didn't know if I was gonna like them or not. They're glass, and this straw didn't come with it, but yeah. And then I also got, they had these yellow lid ones. I don't like love this color too much, but I don't hate it. I got this. It says welcome. I mean, it's very boring right now. It might be cute like up on like a wall. Can you even read that? It might be cute like that somewhere. I don't know where I like plan to put this, but I thought it would be super cute to paint, and it was $5. Okay, then this is the last thing that I got from Target, and it's, okay, they look really like they had a bunch of these. They look like super stupid, but I figured I could paint them. But so I got two.
So they'd have a friend.
So, I mean, it's like it's their hair, but so they're not, like, they're the little, like, succulent things. They were $3 each. They didn't come together, but I thought I'd get two so they'd
be friends, because otherwise one would be lonely.
And so, yeah, I don't know. I'll paint them, like, so they, like, go together, I guess. So that was everything I got from Target. Okay, then the last place I went to was Michael's.
Now, Michael's, I spent a very long time there, and I wasn't planning on spending a very long time there, but I accidentally spent a very long time there, which pretty much happens like every time I go to Michael's somehow.
So they've got all their like Valentine's Day stuff, and then they've got some Easter stuff. So I looked at the Valentine's Day stuff, and right now, and I don't know when this video is gonna go up, right now their Valentine's Day stuff is all 50% off. So definitely go check that out. So this I saw and was like super excited about it. So I mean, it's kind of like, it's a little like, I don't know, like this doesn't fit totally right, but it was 50% off. If it had been, okay, so it was $12.99, so it came up to $6.50. If this had been full price, I don't know. I don't think so. But for $6, like, oh, 100%. So my plan is to paint it, and then like this goes up and down, like, But anyway, I'm not gonna keep it Valentine's Day theme. I have enough time to do any more Valentine's Day videos. But so, yeah, I think I'm gonna make this like a springtime something. So I got these flowers. Oh no, I lost. It sticks on. It sticks on somewhere. I'll figure that out. So I got two, and then these flowers were all, oh, that was like a good deal. These flowers were 99 cents, but they say they're $3.99. Oh, these flowers were $1. So I got 4 of them. Well, I hope they came up to $1. They would have had to come up to $1. I don't know where the receipt is, but it wasn't that expensive, so it had to have come up to $1. So these flowers are originally $4. They're $1 right now, so go check that out too if this video gets up soon. Today is the 4th of February. I think today's the 4th of February. I'll write it somewhere if I'm wrong. Okay, let me know if you have ideas of how I should paint this, like what I should paint on it. Like, I don't know, should I write mailbox? Should I write something totally different? I'm thinking like a springtime type of something. But anyway, this, and so, oh, I got yellow flowers, white flowers, and then these pink and yellow. They're like a lemonade type thing, like a strawberry lemonade. So I thought this would be adorable. I love it. Okay, I think that is like, that's so cute. Something to go with this color flowers. So I got that. This was also a Valentine's Day thing, and I don't have a plan for these or know what I'm gonna do with these. These were just so cute. They're like the tiniest little clothespin in the entire world. Do they like work? They do work. And the one I picked doesn't. Oh, there we go. That's so cute, right? So then I have two, like, okay, I got another little pot thing because I realized I needed a 4th one because of my idea. So I have this idea to make a gumball machine. I saw this on Pinterest, and I'm like, that's so cute. And so I was looking for what I need supplies for it. So anyway, I got some little pom-poms for the gumballs. I got this little pot, and if you turn the little pot upside down and you set this on top, now ignore that part because I don't know what to do about that part, but I'm gonna do something with this part. Like I can take that off, and then if I just cover that up. Anyway, imagine a gumball machine. Then I got Model Magic, either to put something on top of here, but that might not be what I do. But I might tie ribbon to it and then just leave it like that. I don't know yet. So, but the ribbon goes bad. I could always use red ribbon at some other point. The real exciting thing. So I got those 3 other pots from the dollar store. So what I plan to do with those one is I found, okay, at Michael's.
They had these little bunnies that were sitting in these little flower pots, and they had these little eggs next to them, and they were super cute, super duper cute, but they were like $10, and I was like, no. So I was like, I could totally make this. So that's the other thing Model Magic's for, is to make little eggs, because I couldn't find tiny little eggs that like I wanted to, but then I
Also got these cute little bunnies. So these little bunnies were $2, and they're gonna sit in the little flower pot. I got this little fake moss stuff to put in the little flower pot. Then I'm gonna put a little egg, and then yeah. So yeah. So I think that's all the things that I got. So I hope you liked this little haul. Well, let me know, do you like hauls of like craft stuffs? Do you want to see hauls in the future? I don't like do a lot of like shopping like for a bunch of things, but if I ever do you want to see it? Did you like this video? And then also, please let me know what you would like to see first, like out of these crafting things. Do you want to see more Valentine's Day decor thing videos, ideas? And then what about springtime videos? Any other videos, ideas you have? And out of like the mailbox, the gumball machine, and the little bunnies, what do you want to see first? So let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and check out my Instagram. And yeah, okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.